In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set LG TV to AV mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an LG TV, regardless of the model, you will be able to use it on an AV source. So all that you have to do is first establish the connection between your AV source and your TV. So usually this will be done at the back of the TV. So as you can see, you will have all the ports and usually they will be labeled AV in. So all that you have to do here is make sure that all the connections were properly established. Double check to see if all the cables were inserted fully and that they are in the appropriate slot. And once you have any AV cables that you want to use connected here, you will be able to change the input source inside of the actual TV settings. So check the back of your TV, and once all of them have been connected, you can power on and go to the dashboard. If you have a modern LG TV, you will have the ThinQ dashboard, and in here you can find all of your sources. So all that you have to do is choose AV from the list. So as you can see, it is going to be available as an option. You will be able to select it from here, and immediately upon selecting it, AV mode will be used on this specific TV as the input. You can change it back to HDMI or any other source that you have, but as long as you select it from here, you will be good to go. If you have a different model, especially the older ones, all that you have to do instead is go over to the sources. Usually, depending on the remote, you will have a sources button on the remote itself, so all that you have to do is find and press that specific button, usually at the top right corner of the remote, and you will be able to find the AV source here. You will either see AV1 or AV2, and you can select whichever one you want to use. As long as all the connections were established on the back of the television, you will be able to select it from the list and get it going. You will see the new source displayed on your TV, and you can change it as many times as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to set LG TV to AV mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.